Okay. No rush, man. Doctor. Did you use enough alcohol, Julia? Jeez. Okay, I know. Yeah, I gotta think of.
Oh, do you really have to use it? It's actually that flash too. Yeah, buddy.
Alright. I just need a small purple top just for an in-house heartworm test. So if you get me a mail, that's fine.
What all are you guys doing?
We're doing this for an in-house heartworm test.
Okay.
Dr. Ored's gonna finish her treatment plan for her other patient, and then we're going to. You what?
I got almost a mil.
Oh shit. Hold on, you probably ready. And then she's gonna come over here and collect a sample for a PCR and take a picture. And then I'm gonna fill a couple meds.
Figure it out?
Yeah, she wasn't tall enough to saddle up, so she had to pull. You can't sit down very easily.